what is quantum physics and what is the spirituality. If you know about that, then only you can relate it properly. So when you think about the quantum physics, it is about the atom. In the atom there is a subatomic particles which we called as protons, electrons and neutrons. What is the quantum mechanics? The quantum mechanics means the atom is operating everything. Atom created the elements. Atom created the 5 elements. And the 5 elements created the whole universe. What we are seeing in the galaxy, like a Milky Way galaxy, the whatever it is, it's a sun, stars, Earth. We are seeing the most important planets like Saturn, Venus, which created by the atoms. The atom is operating the whole universe. And what is inside that? Inside means when we go deeper level into the atom, we can see the quarks. If you try to go deeper level, you can't identify anything. So everything depends upon the atoms. The whole creation is quantum physics. How the sun rotates, how the moon rotates, what is the degree. You need a physics study to understand the math of everything. Even the science also depend upon the physics. Physics and math is very important to understand the quantum level. The whole creation, everything depends upon and operating by the quantum. Means atom is operating everything. Parallel universe means there is a same kind of universe which is somewhere in the galaxy. Like a same kind of universe with the same kind of planets. What is the string theory? String theory means it's kind of a music in a guitar or in a veena. There is a string. If you pluck the string, a certain music will come, a certain vibration will come. And if you try again in the same way, the same music will come again also. This is called a string theory. It is also a quantum physics. In this universe, it creates everything. The same kind of a Milky Way galaxy or same kind of a Earth, it will come again also. Spirit is all. Spirit is operating all the atoms and the universe. Spirit is energy. When we talk about the atoms, when we go into the deeper level of atom, what is in the subatomic particles, energy is operating everything. Energy is operating the atoms, energy is operating the whole universe. Even when you think about the atom, when the atom rotates, the energy is coming outside actually. It produces the energy and it produced more atoms also. So energy is everything. Energy is the universe, energy is the whole creations. So they gave the name as spirituality. All the scientists are talking about how the atom is working or how this universe is working. Can anybody describe where the space came from? It's very difficult. But the space is the energy. Space is the consciousness. From the consciousness, energy came out of that. And energy created the atoms. But nobody can describe about that. Where is the space came from? What it is. So the space is operating everything. Space is the consciousness. It is unimaginable and unpredictable. It's difficult, very, very difficult to understand the space. So space is the consciousness. Here we have to try to understand what is the consciousness. So one thing we can understand, energy came from the consciousness. And energy created the atoms. An atom created everything. Now the scientists, the past 500 years, we are trying to understand how this whole universe is created or how it is operating with our brain also, but by in the way of technology also. But technology or can't go into the consciousness. It's difficult. When you want to understand the consciousness, you have to meditate. During the meditation, you can understand consciousness is the space. That's the only way. When you go to the deeper level of meditation, you can understand the space is the consciousness. Consciousness is the space. You can't measure or you can't predict in the device or in any kind of a technology. Only by in the way of meditation it is possible. That's what monks did on ancient times. So spirituality is the center and core of the quantum physics. In this whole universe, nothing can move or nothing can operate. So the consciousness and energy is operating the whole creations. In the nothingness, there is a potential for everything. So it is invisible and unmeasurable. Yeah, that's why science stopped there. But the Indian monks, they say, spirituality is everything. You have to follow the spirituality. If you try to follow the spirituality, you get all the energies. You can operate your body. You can develop whatever you want. You can enhance your personality. You can operate your genes with the energy. You can rewrite your brain. You can reprogram your mind, everything. Only through spirituality, you can get all the answers. Because you are the spirituality, you are the consciousness. You need to be awakened. Awaken is the consciousness. You can get all the answers through spirituality beyond whatever the scientists discovered. If you want to go beyond the science, you can achieve, you can know, you can learn everything, whatever you want. So when you know all these things, you can give the greatest answer. But giving the answer is not so important. Understanding everything is very important. The question is inside. We want an answer inside also. But how you can get this answer and all? Through the spirituality, you can get the answers. You can clear all your doubts. You can bring the happiness with the consciousness. That is the only source for everything. So through spirituality, you can give the greatest answer beyond all the scientific research and quantum mechanics. It's possible. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any question and thoughts, please leave the comments in the comment box. If you feel inspired to support our ashram, your donations are really appreciated. Keep it in your mind. You are your own block and you are your own solution. Namaskar.